When we moved in, I guess our roof was in relatively good shape, but we've been here 8 years. Sudden bump in our insurance costs. We had 2 really bad hailstorms that devastated the area. And the second round really caused the damage. Started exploring and looking for options and found Ernie Smith. Zach showed up, non-salesy as I'll call it, not pushy, not at all. He was a great sales guy. Came in and sat down, walked me through the whole process. He laid it all out, cordial and non-threatening, as you were, some sales guys pushing. He didn't push at all. And so that made the experience really easy. The team we had was very well coordinated. I mean, they were working together seamlessly. They included me in the back and forth on their submitting their quote. My insurance company sent out a third-party group to come do the assessment. Zach showed up for that as well and walked through it with them, and he gave his insights to it because they used a drone only. Zach actually walked the whole roof and the line and did visual inspections and highlighted everything, took his pictures as well. So there might have been a little hiccup because the original scheduled time was the rain delay, and it actually got pushed twice. And then I had assumed that I was going to have the same person or project manager on site, and I got a call from a total different, which was fine. I just didn't know that it was going to be somebody else. And he's like, hey, we're showing up. I was like, oh, all right. There was a little gap in that, but other than that, the scheduling and everything was really smooth. And Zach had talked through all of that. He said, this is what to expect here. And then once I had engaged, then they took it and they ran with it. I just went through that and then went through the insurance process. And then once they gave the estimate, they said, oh yeah, it's going to take 3 days, this 3 days roof job. And I was thinking, okay, so we allocated the time out, and they ended up finishing the roof in a day and a half. So that was a big, pleasant surprise. They're really fast. Even it started raining right in the middle of them working on the roof. Didn't slow them down. Yes, I would, and I actually have already recommended y'all to a couple coworkers just because the process was very easy. I deal with salespeople all the time. Just having sales folks like that, the integrity and just the personalness of the process, it was good. Definitely gave the feel of a family-run business, which to me I like support the locals, support the businesses.